Today's student is tomorrow's teacher. Today's teacher is tomorrow's student. This is a quote I read in a book called The Grail by Lars Muehl. I've heard it be said that teachers should be fully healed, or experts on whatever they're giving a talk on, or meditation on. I want to offer a different perspective. When someone is going through a transformation, that is the best time to deliver meditation or a talk. It breaks down barriers for you, the listener. It takes away any pedestal that you may have put myself or others on. One of the greatest masters of energy that has ever walked this planet, in fact the greatest master, as he was the first archetype created to lead the way for us all, Yeshua, or Jesus, as many of you will be familiar with, washed the feet of his disciples and rode into the main city of the land he lived in, Jerusalem, on a donkey, when many proclaimed for him to be the Messiah, the King of Kings. Why would a king ride into a main city on a donkey? And why would a leader and a great teacher wash the feet of his disciples? To serve with humility and to show everyone there are no pedestals for anyone that are proclaimed to be leaders or teachers. We are all equals, no matter our backgrounds, no matter our life experiences, no matter our financial background, our living backgrounds, or our heritage background. We are all children of the same heavenly source. Be we black, yellow, orange, white, purple, or any other colour you can imagine. Be we have an experience of being gay, bisexual, homosexual, transgender, or any other label that's out there today. Be we have an experience of ADHD, ADD, anxiety, depression, bipolar, PTSD, or any other label that's out there today. When we strip it all back, we're all the same. Why is this all relevant at the start of the meditation? Connect with you, the listener. The best way for me to connect to you is to be real, honest, authentic, and as vulnerable as I can. I'm still figuring things out, and probably will continue to do so in other incarnations, after this one has completed its cycle or mission. And that's the way it is. We are evolving together. No one person is ahead or better equipped or wiser than the other, certainly never in the eyes of the Heavenly Source. In the eyes of the Heavenly Source, we are all very unique, and we uniquely glide through our learnings at the rate that feels comfortable for us. Some of us have been blessed to have done this kind of work many times in many incarnations before. And so we are here once again as a humble servant to you, as a fellow brother or sister of the Heavenly Source. It's a long introduction. At the same time, it allows a connection to be established between us. It will help to enhance the effectiveness of this meditation for you. So what prompted all of this introduction? I've recognized of late that I've been looking externally for validation and direction. I've always been someone that's had to work hard for my life. Maybe you can relate. I've always been someone that has looked for someone else to love me rather than loving myself. Maybe you can relate. I've always went looking externally. Maybe you can relate. And looking externally is what I did in recent months. Felt as if I had to take charge of our income situation. Maybe this is familiar to you or someone you knew. How did that go for me? Well, I became more fatigued, more depressed, more frustrated, more anxious. I'm wondering, does that feel familiar? And until I realized I've never been in charge. None of us are. Sure, there are those that look like they're in charge. Are they actually, though? Are they given that impression? Are they masking a great fear that needs to be hidden? Like I used to do. I'm still working on that. I've realised that surrendering every aspect of my being is the only way to be. The search for external happiness, approval, love, etc., is the longest and hardest road any of us can take. The long and winding road, the Beatles called it. It's also the easiest option. The answers we seek are closer to home. In fact, it will take us home. It's also very simple, and yet it is also the most painful and vulnerable place to go. It's within. In my experience, in my humble experience, when I seek outside myself, it is actually masking a very deep pain called unworthiness. Unworthiness is a very subtle pain that can put up a lot of very, very strong barriers. Even just naming it, hearing it, can bring up instant denial. And that's the biggest clue. It's trying to survive within you. That's the biggest clue. It's trying to avoid dying. That's the biggest clue we try to avoid. The steps I'm taking are just to witness any pain, denial, or survival instincts within me, and see it through the eyes of forgiveness and compassion. There's a force inside of us, inside all of us, that is trying to push out. A force that is greater than anything that the pain is trying to hold on to. Our challenge is whether we choose to surrender or survive. My invitation is for you to join me in my journey, your journey, and our journey. Let's transform our energies together like brothers and sisters, rather than strangers. We have been given the choice and the opportunity to unify rather than separate. Separation creates anxiety. Unity creates certainty. We choose. Today's student is tomorrow's teacher. And today's teacher is tomorrow's student. Shalama alaikum.